But you can recoup some of that by turning your home into a moneymaker. Milan Griffin with HomeFree-USA joins us now. She is back with some helpful tips. Milan, welcome back here to Fox 5.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, we appreciate you coming. So how do we do just that, turn our homes into moneymakers?
Well, if you are okay with, if you're a homeowner and you're okay with having people in your space, there are options like Airbnb, VRBO, short-term rental options. If you have a private space where it has a separate entrance and exit, that's even better, so you don't have to have a stranger right in your midst. You can also make some extra money by renting out parking spaces. So say you live close to Northwest Stadium, other high-traffic areas, by different concert halls. Consider renting out parking spaces. There are pros and cons to any option. Do your research.
Yeah, I was just sitting here thinking for the people watching, they go, well, it takes money to make money sometimes.
Exactly.
Even to get your home outfitted and ready for an Airbnb.
Yes. It's a little bit of investment. Airbnb has modernized their app, and there are a lot of different options and tutorials that one can look at for some expert information and advice.
So what advice will you give to people who are looking to purchase a second home? These move-up buyers, where should they look for advantages?
Yes, so if you are a move-up buyer, meaning you're interested in buying a second home and living in that home, there is some options. And one idea is to possibly keep your first home, if it works for your budget. Keep your first home, rent that first home out. That way you are now a first-time investor and you were able to move up to your second home. The other good thing is if you're a move-up buyer, you could possibly qualify for loans and put down as little as 5%. So you don't have to put down 25%, 20% on your second home. So it's a win-win if you're looking to buy a second home and possibly keep the first home and rent it out.
And in some cases, pull the equity out of the first home for that down payment on the second. You're here on behalf of HomeFree-USA. What are some of the resources and programs that you all offer for just homeowners in general?
So for homeowners and home buyers, when it comes to navigating your mortgage, it's a lot to understand. It's a lot to do. It can be confusing. HomeFree-USA, we make it easier. We are expert homeownership advisors. We are a 30-year-old federally government HUD approved nonprofit organization, and we help homeowners navigate their mortgage options. So many homeowners in the DMV are what we call equity rich. You are sitting on a lot of equity, and you may be looking to tap into that equity so that you can reach your financial goals. And so HomeFree-USA, we provide the step-by-step guidance, tools, and connections to lenders so that you can see and understand which option is right for you. It may be a refinance, it may be a home equity line of credit, or it may be a home equity loan. All options, though, have pros and they have cons, and it's just important to understand how to navigate.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be overbearing or confusing even. There are resources out there, and HomeFree-USA is one of them. Milan, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
We appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll have much more on the other side of the break. See you on the other side.
Plumbing to electrical, heating to air